Good morning, class. Standard 10 Physical Educations. Today's lesson, the basketball revision questions and volleyball questions. Same 25 marks total, 50 marks. So revisions I'm going to give. So what are the portions for a board exam? The reduced syllabus from the council already I sent you in a group. So just go through that. In section A, there is only 6 chapters out of 9 chapters. First 6 chapters have been taken for your board examinations. So go through that chapters, then don't read other portion also. So today volleyball basketball questions. Question A, draw a neat diagram of basketball court and mark the following with their measurements. You have to draw a neat diagram of the basketball court. In that you have to mark the measurements: length, 3-point field goal areas, sideline, center circle, radius of 3-point field goal area, likewise. First let me read the questions. Question A, draw a neat diagram of basketball court and mark the following with their measurements. First one, sideline. Second one, end line. Third one, center circle. Fourth one, radius of 3-point field goal area. This is 8 marks section question A. Now B, question B. Two more is there. Section A. A length of restricted area, no charge semicircle, that is a broken line inside the basketball court. Now B question B1, state 6 items equipment needed to conduct a basketball match, that is technical equipments like a stopwatch, game clock, a foul indicator, team foul indicator, likewise. B2, state any 3 duties of the coach. Coach duty you have to write. Third question, when is the ball considered to be dead? In basketball there is two types, dead balls and live balls. In this they ask dead ball. Next, C question, explain the following terms. Held ball. Second one, double foul. Third one, double dribble. Fourth one, layup. Now let me read out the answer for you. Question A, that means draw neat diagram basketball court, then you have to mark the following 6 points they are asked. You have to write that 6 marks, that is for 8 marks questions. Now B1 question, they asked equipments, that is items for use for conduct the basketball match. In that is a technical equipment normally you call. First one, basketball, game clock, stopwatch, scoreboard, score sheet, whistles, 24-second devices, foul markers, players and team. Any 6 you can write in this. Now B2, duties of the coaches. First point, improving offensive and defensive skills, physical conditioning of players, teaching and inspiring the team. The 3 points you can write. Now B3 questions, when is the ball become a dead? First point, free throw has been made. Whistle is blown by an official at a signal of official clock of the game, at the signal of 24-second device sound. Any 3 you can write in this. Now question C1. A situation when both the opponent players hold the ball and neither of them can get possession of basketball from the other. In this case, referee throws up the basketball in air between two players. Next, C2 answer. When two opposing players foul each other at the same time. C3 answer. This penalty, which results in a turnover, occurs when a player dribbles the ball with both hands. When a player stops dribbling and then begins to dribble again. In basketball, once you dribble, after dribble, if you hold the ball in your hand, that means your dribble is end. Again, you cannot dribble and go. That is called double dribble. Now, C4, a shot taken close to hoop, usually when a player is moving towards the basket. That is the answer. Next, volleyball question, 25 marks questions. A, state the following. First question A1, height of net for men and women. Second one, weight and circumference of the ball. Third one, height and diameter of the antenna. Fourth one, number of substitutions and timeouts in a set. B1 question, name 3 national tournaments. B2, mention any 6 skills. B3, state any 3 serving faults. C, draw a neat diagram of volleyball court with all its measurements. So very simple question, you must have known this thoroughly. You can make it. Right, answer. Men and women volleyball net height. For men 2.43 meter. For women 2.24 meter. A2 ball weight, that is ball weight and circumference. Ball weight is 260 gram to 280 grams. The circumference of the ball 65 to 67 centimeter. Height of the antenna, that is 1.80 meter height. A diameter antenna 10 millimeter, 10 mm. Next, number of substitutes in each team. 6 substitute. and 2 timeouts per set for a team is permitted. Next, B1, 3 national tournaments are the Indian Volleyball League, Federation Cup and Purnima Trophy tournaments. B2, the skills are service, pass, attack or spike, set, block and dig, DIG, dig. Now 3 serving faults are: the ball is hit the net or fails to clear the net. Second one, the ball lands out of bounds. Third answer, the server commits a foot fault. This is 3 marks. Now C answer, you have to draw the volleyball court neatly and you have to write all the measurements like attack line, service line, back line, side lines, center line, free zone area, everything you have to measurements, you have to write. First you have to draw neat diagram. Correctly diagram you have to draw. Every diagram in board exam 10 marks. Will give the matter like center line, attack line, back zone, front zone, service zone, side line, free zone. These type of you have to write on this. Right? So that every week is going to be repeat for your examination already, which a portion has completed. So you must be thorough. The board exams nearing you. I think this 2021 is go fast. So be alert and be prepared. Every day don't give the fast and always keep your records on time. Do day-to-day work. Good morning class. Stay safe. Stay home.